Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the side view mirror on a Hyundai Santa Fe. This one is an 07 model, but it will be the same from 06 until 2012. Stay with us, don't forget to subscribe, guys. We have a new video on our channel every day. So what you need to do, same procedure for left and right side, 10mm range and a flathead screwdriver. Now you need to pry right there a little bit to remove the cover for the side view mirror. Okay, like that. And you can see where the clips are. And now there is 3 bolts that we will need to remove with a 10mm socket. You don't need to remove the door panel in order to replace the mirror. It will be a little bit more convenient, but a lot of work to do that. So just careful when you get the nut loose not to drop it inside the door panel. Okay, one is out, and now we need to take the other bottom one and this one here as well. Okay, now this is the third one now, and as you can see it comes right off. And now we need to push down on the plug, wire plug right there, okay, and it gets loose. And now you just go ahead on the outside and pull it. Usually they're a little bit stuck, but here is the mirror, guys. Pretty simple procedure. It shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to do it yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.